Satatu, how are you? Mary Allen here with the Hiberno English word of the day. I've got a great one for you today. I've moved on to P, and P is for Plumaas. Quit your old plaumausing. Sure, that's all rubbish. It's only Plumaas. I wouldn't believe a word he says. It's Plaumause. So Plumaas comes from the Gaeilge, and it actually means flattery. Or, probably in modern terms we'd say BS. So Plumaas is often used with politicians, and we would often say that a politician is full of Plaumause. Have you ever heard of it? Plaumause. I love the way it rolls off my tongue. Plaumause. So a bit of BS, right? Full of promises, full of flattery, evades the question. But we can also use it for ourselves, myself swindled. So it's actually just filling yourself up with a whole lot of rubbish. That we can self-swindle ourselves if we're not true to our values. We can Plumaas ourselves. Have you ever heard of it? Let me know in the comments below. Grow more.